Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm Berachain airdrop very quickly. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So before we move on to Berachain airdrop, you can follow my Twitter page, which is CoinDrop Hunter. Links in the description for the latest airdrop and alpha feed, and also for participating in some giveaways. Now let's move on to the Berachain airdrop. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to set up a Metamask wallet. Now once you have a Metamask set up on your browser, all you have to do is basically you will need to go to chainlist.org over here and search for Berachain, connect your wallet over here and add the Berachain to your Metamask wallet. Now I will leave all the links in the description, so it will be easy for you guys to actually go ahead and complete all this task. Now the next thing that you have to do is you will need to go to rto.faucet.berachain and you will need to request BERA tokens over here. So you can go ahead and request it every 8 hours. You will be getting 0.1 BERA token over here. Now you can do the similar thing with Faucet quick node over here, where you will be getting up to 0.2 BERA tokens. So if you go ahead and share a tweet about them, then you would be eligible for 0.2 BERA. If not, then you would be getting like 0.1 BERA. Now once you have BERA in your wallet, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to complete some limited time quest over here. So as you can see, there is this quest over here, which is BERA's gonna make it. Now if you are watching this video quick, then you have got some time in order to complete this quest over here if you haven't completed it, because it's a very simple quest, to be honest. You just have to like, retweet, comment on their Twitter. Now the next quest is Slumber Party. Now this quest, if we go ahead and check over here, as you can see, it's for 4 days more. Now you can use my referral code, which is this one, and please note that this referral code starts with dash at the start, so you have to copy the whole referral code and then your entry would be confirmed in the Slumber Party. So once you copy this referral code, you have to go in collection over here, and over here you will be able to see the option to go ahead and redeem the code. So you can go ahead and redeem it. Now once you do that, the next step that you will need to do is you will need to go to rto.bex.berachain over here, and you will need to swap some BERA with some other coins and tokens like STG, USDC. Then you can swap some with Honey, some with WBTC, and some with wrapped Ethereum. Now I will exactly show you why you will need all of this. So once you go ahead and swap it, please note that you will need to keep some BERA. Don't swap all the BERA's tokens completely. Once you swap it, all you have to do is you will need to go to pool over here and just check the pool which has the highest TVL. So you can select like this top 4 pools maybe, and you can go ahead and add the liquidity over here. Now once you add the liquidity over here, you will need to wait for few days in order to get some BGT tokens. Now this BGT would be used for either staking, or you can go ahead and burn it. So I have burned few and I have already staked few, and you can also go in the governance tab and vote. So let me check if I have this governance tab open or not. No, so I will go ahead and open this. So basically you will find these proposals over here where you can go ahead and vote on Berachain over here. Now I have made a couple of videos in the past. You can go ahead and check them, links in the description, where there are a few NFTs that you might have to mint in order to be qualifying for the airdrop. Now we are not 100% guarantee, it will totally depend on the team, as none of this is the financial advice. Now the next thing that you can do is you can go to rto.honey.berachain over here, and basically you can go ahead and mint some honey over here. So you have to mint with STG USDC. So you must have already swapped over here to some STG USDC. You can go ahead and mint some honey over here. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to rto.bend over here, and you will need to go ahead and borrow some honey. Now if you have swapped your BERA to WBTC and WETH, all you have to do is first you will need to go ahead and deposit WBTC and WETH over here, and then you can go ahead and supply some honey. Now once you do all of this, you can go over here and basically you can go ahead and borrow some honey over here. Please note that you should keep the account health at a decent position. I mean, although it's a test net for now, but in future if you want to go ahead and use the bend Berachain, the account risk level should be like a decent one, not at the liquidation ratio. Now the next thing that you can do is you can go to Bub's Berachain over here, and basically you can open some futures positions over here. So as you can see, I've already opened few positions over here. So basically you will need to supply minimum of 10 honey for every position that you want to open. Now currently there are 4 positions that you can open, future positions, which is BTC USDC, ETH USDC, Atom and TIA. Now please note that since it's on the testnet, it doesn't cost any money, and to be honest, all the tasks that I have mentioned doesn't cost a single penny. I also forgot about this. There is one more thing that you can do is like you can go to direct finance over here. I will go ahead and quickly connect my Metamask wallet. So it has switched to Poly EVM chain. So I will leave a direct link for the vaults for Berachain over here. So basically you can go over here and deposit some BERA over here. So not BERA, sorry, MUSDC. So since I'm on a different chain right now, once you connect over here on the Berachain, you will get the option to get like 1000 MUSDC. Once you get it over here, once you claim it, you can go ahead and deposit it, and then you can go ahead and maybe withdraw 100 USDC tokens. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the Berachain airdrop, and for rest of the process and different links, you can check my other videos. I will leave everything in the description for this. And the Berachain has currently like more than 150 million funding which they have received. So I think the airdrop should be a very decent airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.